What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
Y'all, we're gonna make a little grapevine. So we're gonna start out with our bow. All right, so let's start with about a 12-inch tail. Give it a good twist. We're gonna go out about 6.5 to 7 inches. Both ways. About an 8-inch tail off the top. These loops are just a little bit smaller. Nice little center loop with this one. From there, we're going to do our pipe cleaner folded in half. Slide that off, put our pipe cleaner right around it. Give it a good pinch and twist. All right, so I need to figure out how big of a loop I want. All right, so we're just gonna double layer that one a little bit, make it a nice oval, push it all the way down. Y'all, and because this is real chicken wire, I would not try to make a regular bow with it. So from here, I'm gonna take a zip tie, get it through half, tighten it up, like just trying to like scrunch. It's not easy. So I'm using the zip ties to help close that off. See how it's already starting to like suck in just a little bit? Now I can make that centerpiece close a little bit easier. All right, this one, I'm gonna just fold it in, not in half. I'm gonna go halfway between the loop and this one. So right here is where I'm gonna attempt to scrunch this up. All right. Then I'm going to attach these two together. All right. Now I'm gonna put these two together. Now, it's not real cute, but your bow is gonna sit right in the middle of there, so it doesn't matter. All right, Now look, you can't even tell it has that messy center. All right. Y'all, this is a little bitty grapevine. This one is a 14-inch oval. Going to get that positioned right in here. Y'all, I like to use the smallest grapevine as I possibly can, and then make it look larger by building off of it. So just wrapping that pipe cleaner right around there. All right, let's dovetail our ribbons. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna attempt to dovetail this. So I'm just gonna give it a good curl. Y'all, we're gonna take this, we're gonna grab our stem cutter, we're gonna trim this down to just a couple of inches. So I'm gonna take this longer piece and add it down here to the bottom because I wanna make this grapevine look a lot bigger than it is. So just underneath the bow, gonna make sure we super glue that in. Now you can see how we're making that grapevine look a lot bigger than it is. Let's look at it from the back. Look how small that is. And look how much bigger it looks. We need to get a little bit going towards the top. So on this one, I am going to trim these. Off of the main stem. All right, so see how long that is? I need it to be about half that size. Just trim that in half. So now I've made like a little tip that we can add into our grapevine. All right, we're just gonna work these right into that base. See how it looks nice in 3D? Now we wanna bring these greens up into the bow. So we're gonna just lift up her little loops and glue a little stem right in between them. Y'all, now, what we did to the bottom, we have to keep going around the top. So we're gonna add some right up here to the top. All right. So you can see how we took that same pine from the bottom and we worked it all the way through the bow out the top. So I wanted to bring in the white flocked pine just because there was so much white in the ribbon. It's gonna lighten it up. All right, so once again, just getting that nice and spread out. All right, same little thing up here at the top. Bye, y'all.